to London, a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly. From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the vibrant energy of Soho, London is a metropolis filled with iconic landmarks, hidden treasures, and a unique cultural tapestry. Join me on this unforgettable journey as we explore the very essence of England's capital. The Tower of London, a legacy of power and mystery. Our adventure begins at the historic Tower of London, a fortress that has stood for nearly 1,000 years. As we walk along its ancient walls, we uncover tales of kings, queens, and infamous prisoners. Inside, the dazzling crown jewels sparkle with centuries of royal heritage. The iconic beefeaters in their traditional uniforms guide us through the tower's dark yet fascinating history. Tower Bridge, a masterpiece of Victorian engineering. Just a short walk away, Tower Bridge stands as one of London's most recognizable landmarks. We ascend to the glass walkway, suspended high above the River Thames, and take in breathtaking views of the city. Watching the bridge lift to allow passing boats through is a spectacle that never fails to impress. Buckingham Palace, witnessing the changing of the guard. No trip to London is complete without visiting Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. We time our visit perfectly to witness the changing of the guard, a display of British pageantry at its finest. The rhythmic marching, the precision, and the music make for an unforgettable experience. Westminster Abbey and Big Ben. The heart of British heritage. Stepping into Westminster Abbey, we find ourselves surrounded by centuries of history. From royal coronations to the final resting place of legendary figures, the Abbey is a treasure trove of Britain's past. Just a stone's throw away, we stand before Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, the symbols of British democracy and architectural brilliance. The London Eye, a bird's-eye view of the capital. Next, we take a ride on the London Eye, a giant observation wheel that offers panoramic views of the city skyline. From the top, we see the River Thames winding through the metropolis with landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral and the Shard in the distance. Covent Garden, street performers and hidden gems. For a change of pace, we head to Covent Garden, where the air is filled with music, laughter, and the scent of delicious food. We watch talented street performers captivate the crowd before diving into a maze of boutique shops, artisanal markets, and cozy cafes. The British Museum, a walk through time. London is home to some of the world's greatest museums, and the British Museum is at the top of the list. As we step inside, we stand in awe of the Rosetta Stone, Egyptian mummies, and treasures from ancient civilizations. Each artifact tells a story that transcends time and geography. Notting Hill, a neighborhood of charm and color. Our next stop is the picturesque neighborhood of Notting Hill. Strolling down Portobello Road, we explore its famous market, filled with antiques, vintage clothing, and unique trinkets. The pastel-colored houses and charming cafes make this one of London's most Instagram-worthy spots. Camden Town, the alternative side of London. For a completely different vibe, we head to Camden Town, a hub of creativity, music, and street art. The markets here are a paradise for those looking for eclectic fashion, handcrafted goods, and mouth-watering international cuisine. We grab a bite of Camden's famous street food before soaking in the edgy, vibrant atmosphere. Hyde Park, London's green escape. In the heart of the city lies Hyde Park, a vast green oasis where locals come to relax and unwind. We take a peaceful stroll around the Serpentine Lake, watch swans glide across the water, and even rent a paddle boat for a leisurely ride. It's a refreshing break from the urban hustle. Oxford Street and Regent Street, shopping like a Londoner. No visit to London is complete without a shopping spree on Oxford Street, home to flagship stores of world-famous brands. Just around the corner, Regent Street offers a more refined shopping experience with elegant storefronts and luxury boutiques. Shakespeare's Globe, a journey into theatrical history. For lovers of literature and drama, Shakespeare's Globe is a must-visit. We step into this reconstructed Elizabethan theater and experience a performance just as audiences did in Shakespeare's time, without microphones or modern technology, yet full of raw energy and passion. The West End, London's Broadway. As night falls, we head to the West End, London's theater district. From classic plays to blockbuster musicals, the entertainment options are endless. We take our seats for a world-class performance surrounded by the glamour and excitement of London's vibrant nightlife. The Thames River Cruise, a magical nighttime experience to end our journey, we embark on a Thames River cruise, watching London's landmarks illuminated against the night sky. Tower Bridge, the Shard, and St. Paul's Cathedral create a mesmerizing backdrop as we glide through the city, reflecting on an incredible adventure. London is more than just a city. It's a living, breathing story waiting to be explored. From its historic landmarks to its modern innovations, every corner has a tale to tell. Whether you're drawn to royalty, history, culture, or entertainment, London has something for everyone. What's your favorite London landmark? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more exciting travel adventures. See you in the next destination.